like that, man. I tell you, be. Never turn it down it, man.
You don't want me to list out the amount of time you let me then.
I want to be easy, no, man. I tell you, see me and sort out that be.
I then no talking with you. You know how long? You say you're going to give me the thing and I know I can't get it?
You know, say, I'm die now, you know. So me buzz her back later, hear that?
Alright, babes. I can ask you something. Yeah, my ear one do and my fingernail and my toenail. You know, say, I act girl and then something they want change and something. So what you say? You gonna buy them for me?
Yeah, man. Anything you want, man, we deal with
Okay, baby. Alright. Love you. Later.
Alright, babes.
Yeah, man. I get that one call. Hold on.
Oh, really? Oh, really? Okay, I can't bother with the whole heap of delay thing, you know. If I say you do something, I want you to do it. And if you're not going to do it, nobody tell me say you're going to do it and don't do it. You hear me? I don't have time for this. Bye.
What go on, brother?
I not even so good still.
So, you're not gonna link me then, brother? Once you link me, you know, so we can get the link them connect, you know, dog. Just give me a link. I'm there on my base, you see it?
I give you a link. Give me a few minutes, I put on 2 pieces of clothes and link you. You hear? My friend. Yeah, man. Jaja.
I plan for him already, man. You know, but the time the things. Me have a plan for him, but thanks anyways.
You know, so you may have for babes. So I go down in the town, me wonder if you want something, can grab it for you.
The money we are going to take buy something on the road, you can take it by a pack of Pampers.
I'm gonna ripe it, they look full. Hello? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. I have a week. You know, say 100,000 a pound though. I can't do nothing better than that, brother. And you are going now, you are going. You know, say my top deliver that. Because too much police there on the road, so you know, say you have to come for it. Yeah, man, I didn't think they are going, brother. And remember, you know, 100,000 in and 90 and 80. Yeah, just like that. Yeah, man. No worry, man. We link, man. Alright.
Yo, Baba!
Yo! Me forward.
Then you know so me not even know about that checking.
You know, say everything there, daddy. To your last penny. Everything there, man. So you don't have to worry yourself. See you, boss?
Alright then me done. So no. Yeah man.
Say a word.
Can walk or no?
Happy birthday, grandma. Yeah man, I miss you man. So what go on? I'm gonna send you something for your birthday, man. Yeah. Alright. Yeah man, yes man.
Boy, you must cuss me. You must cuss me to bomb. Yo, you must see how every time I cut to the show them shot. Let me explain. Don't lose faith, people. Do not lose faith. So, I mean, I know if Richard tell you, no, but the movie making thing is a very expensive undertaking. Because of that really going on the money run out. Well, I mean I say on the money. Well, yes, because you know what the video and the ad revenue thing and thing. So, run out of money. The thing is, if you try to approach it like spend what you have now and then wait till you get somewhere and spend later, that can pose a number of problems, and this are the reason why. Hold on, the people little breeze. So you spend now because you know if you move from point A to point B, make sure actors them, actresses them alright. To get different location to cost. So you spend on that to get the movie started, and then your money run out, so you say alright, you go wait until you get some more money and continue. This is the problem now, and this is how I reach me. So it's not like these, well, let me say actors and actresses. Potential or aspiring actors and actresses, because it's not like these individuals like them sit down and wait for them to say, oh, come act. Them have them life, them have them work and things what them do. So even if you get everybody at the same location on the same day, it poses a little bit of difficulty because people have different lives. So just for schedule and get all of that done. Yeah, so when you spend a one week later, the thing is because different people, different life happens, you see me? So probably something changed about a character where I got throw off the story. You have to think about to get a next character. Because it's not like so we sign contracts here, not people. But we're people bound if you do this or do that. You get me? So yeah, so are the person just not available or something happen, them do something different. Them just not available, you get me? So that are the thing. It's a very expensive, but you learn a lot though. The experience, even though I never get to do a full movie, I realize the experience is nice, and even doing it like going about it from this perspective, you learn a whole heap of things. But yeah, people, I don't know what say me love the camera. I'm a girlfriend that I always have her, and yeah. So what I'm going to try and do now is, produce some short films, try entertain, and share the content people and like them. So money is less of an issue. So yeah, what I'm gonna try to do is produce some more short films and all of that, so can save up some money until me think me have a really budget out what I really need, and then go at the full length movie. Because when I realize now, like I get it, you see me, the film aspect of it, the storytelling aspect of it, like the whole filming thing, like me feel like I have it done now. Well, me not feel like I have it done, like I can do it. So that's another issue. It's just like the money and if you have the people them to tell the story. I love that. So yeah, people, don't lose faith. Lawrence I work on a nice full length movie for you. But until then, like the video them for me please, share them on a social media platform, subscribe for your first time. And I don't know if you have no suggestion as to how we can go about this where it is not so costly. I would really appreciate you telling me that in the comments. So until then, I shall see you now. Remember to do all the things and to make YouTube send a video all over the place. So yeah, until then, me soon, big up on yourself. Lara gone. Problem for eat up and I feel like me have arthritis already. Men's need to exercise.